Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to insert page numbers in your Word document. In doing so, you need to go to insert at the top bar on your top screen, from where you need to go to page numbers, and you'll have a lot of different options about where you need to position your page number. For example, you can position a page number at the top of the page and bottom of the page and in different positions. And so for our purpose, we're gonna choose the top of the page and this layout at the top left corner. So we choose this one, and this gives us a page number. But let's say your first page is a title page, and you want to start your page number from the second page, and you don't want any page number for the title page or the page 1. So then you need to check this box, different page, different first page, and then close header and footer. So what happens now is that you don't have the page number at your first page, and then your page number starts at the second page. However, there's as you can see, the second page is number 2, but we want to start that page at number 1. Like this is the first page. So how can we do that? We go back to insert and page numbers, and this time we go to format page numbers, and you start your page number from 0. So click OK, and then 0 means this first page is 0 and the second page is 1. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please subscribe my channel.